So here we are. We're going to record the Egyptian cats. These guys are so special. Oh, he's shy. You gotta remember, these guys are blind. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. So these guys don't have eyes, but they have great senses of smell and sound, feeling. Very special. Here's this one. Hi. This one likes to bite. It's his way of marking his territory. And just letting them smell the elders. I was with the elders. Yeah, such a good girl. Good kitty cat. Yeah. Oh. So these are Egyptian cats. I thought Egyptian cats were bald, but you guys are not bald, are you? No way. You guys are good kitty cats. Yeah. So I got to be careful with how I let them approach me because they can't see me as good. But they get around pretty good. Little kitty. Yeah, they're so loving, these guys. Very loving. Yeah, and they're just small. These guys are just small. Yeah. They're so loving and loving. So that's that. And they come around. They love contact, eh?